In this video, we are going to talk about the second most important rule for effective copywriting, which is to do your research. So like earlier, we have already talked about knowing your target market. You have to delve into your client's personalities. Now, in fact, one of the rules or rather tricks of effective advertising is to target your market by finding out what they like to read. How much time do they spend on social media? What kind of activities do they search for? For example, if you're selling a product which is an educational product, now what kind of subjects do your students study? What all the websites do they go and surf? So that you get an understanding of the entire thinking, the mindset of your client. Another thing that you have to research is the subject matter. What are you selling? If you were given a copywriting project, you need to find out everything you can about the product or service being sold, because this will tell you about all the limitations and all the drawbacks which you can overcome. Now, there's nothing worse than a product or service being sold that doesn't live up to the people's expectation. Maybe you can't stretch the truth, and obviously you cannot tell a lie. So to avoid falling into the trap, do your research. Now, another thing that you should look out once you're doing research is your competition. You should not make anything similar to your competition. What you're writing should always be better than your competition. If you look at their copy, you can ask yourself, how can I be better than this? How can I write better than this? How can I connect with my clients with my copywriting, which my competitor is not able to connect? Once you answer these questions, you will certainly be writing a better copywriting. So the last question you need to ask is how you can do better than your competition.